Behind every device that lights up, runs smoothly, or effectively communicates, there's a critical detail that can't be overlooked: quality electrical connections. Poor wiring or weak connections can cause malfunctions, damage, or even fires. That's why choosing top-grade components like CANTEX PVC Box Adapters is essential. PVC box adapters securely connect non-metallic conduit to electrical enclosures, ensuring every connection is safe, code compliant, and built to last. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, requires all wiring splices to be inside approved enclosures like PVC junction boxes to protect wire and cable connections. PVC box adapters provide a secure, reliable link between conduit and these approved enclosures. This video highlights the installation of a PVC box adapter using a PVC junction box. The process is similar for comparable electrical enclosures. Always refer to the NEC guidelines and any local electrical codes before installing all PVC electrical products. Compliance with these standards is crucial for safety and proper installation. PVC box adapters are easy to install. Before you begin, make sure you have the right size PVC box adapter for your conduit. CANTEX manufactures 10 trade sizes of PVC box adapters to meet all your connection needs. First, drill a hole into the junction box if it does not have knockouts. Next, cut the conduit to the required length. Then, apply the cement to the outside of the box adapter and inside of the hole. Then, insert the box adapter with a quarter turn to secure it. Apply PVC solvent cement to both the outside of the adapter's slip socket and inside of the conduit end. Then, insert the conduit into the adapter with a quarter turn to secure it and hold it in place for about 30 seconds to allow the cement to set. Wipe away any excess cement and allow the joint to set fully before pulling wires through. CANTEX PVC box adapters are UL listed, American made, and crafted from high-quality rigid PVC, providing durable, long-lasting, maintenance-free connections for safe and secure electrical installations. CANTEX, smart solutions for every electrical connection.